My name is Vino Suntharakumaran. I am mechanical engineer by training, did a PhD in conventional machining, you can say, and for the last 6 years my passion was all about additive manufacturing. My role at DN Solutions is the global responsibility for the entire additive manufacturing business. DN Solutions is one of the top 3 global machine tool builders, and in South Korea we are actually the number 1. We are offering 3 different additive manufacturing machines. A small one more for R&D purposes, and industrial grade machines in the mid and large size formats. The customers who visit our open house this year will see the support we will give them from idea to the finally quality inspected parts, all the way from additive manufacturing, CNC machining and automation. If you ask me where DN Solutions will be with this technology in 5 years, I would answer you, the question will not be if you can print a part by using additive manufacturing or which part to print. It will be which is the most suitable technology to realize a good part in a quick manner and economically feasible. It can be additive manufacturing, CNC machining, automated, or a hybrid.